Alright guys, today's video is going to be a long one, so I hope you have a snack, I hope you have a drink, I hope you are prepared for a lengthy one, because we are going to be doing something more creative than what I normally do on my YouTube. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna be filling in only the tails of my brows, which I know sounds a little weird, but the reason being is because I'm going to be doing something along the lines of this look right here, but with a different shape and a different like design on the shape. This is my dear friend. She is everything. Like, if you aren't following her, I don't know what you are doing, like where you have been, but she's everything. She's amazing. I love her dearly. Yeah, so go follow her. I'm going to be doing this. I'm really excited. I hope this comes out the way I like. And yeah, so also let me know if you guys like the more creative videos, because this is the type of stuff I really love to do, but I always feel like people won't be interested in it. So please keep on watching, and yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we have half of our brows on and look absolutely ridiculous, I am going to do my eye look. It's gonna be quick, easy, eyeshadow, lashes, that's it, because the main focus is going to be this part of the face. Okay, and for the one eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, we're gonna use the infamous, amazing Jaclyn Hill palette, the original, and we're going to take Jada right here, and this is my favorite shadow in the entire palette. Okay, so we're gonna prime with P. Louise, and we're gonna kind of avoid this inner corner area. We're gonna keep it focused on the outer corners because it's gonna be covering the inner corner. I'm going to pick up a good amount of product. Just go ahead and start packing that on. And then I'm taking the JH32 brush. This is a big blending brush. And kind of packing but blending at the same time. Like going back and forth. Now I'm going to do the other eye just so I don't have to show you guys that because it's unnecessary. And then we'll be right back. Okay, so I just did the other eye off camera. I decided not to put on lashes yet because my brain it stopped working for a second. That wouldn't make sense. I should wait until I'm completely done with all liquids and everything around the eye area until I put on lashes. I'm gonna be using face paint, the Mayron water activated face paint in black. So these three. I like to use this 30 paint palette for any like creative looks I do. It's the best face paint in my opinion. So actually first I'm going to run the black face paint through my eyebrow hairs in the front because we want those to be masked. I'm going to use a spoolie. Just go ahead and dip the spoolie into the black face paint. And you honestly want to just get it to a point where the black face paint is covering that part. So like that. I look crazy. It doesn't have to be perfect since we're gonna be going in with a brush. I look like I have a unibrow, and this is hilarious. You wanna make sure the triangle is like the edges match up to where you stopped carving out your brow with the brow gel. So this part I'm not going to talk through. I'm just going to speed through it. So I feel like this is the closest I'm going to get to what I want. Is it perfect? No, but it'll do. We are going to be using some of the other paints from this palette, and we're going to be dabbing that like all over the parts of the black triangle so we can get like a galaxy type look. So I'm going to be using my natural hair brushes because I feel like these apply face paints really well when I'm doing like fine detail work. If you're doing this look, which I doubt that anyone is going to do this, but if you do, use natural hair brushes with this face paint. Alright, so now that we placed the dark blue down, we are going to go into the teal color. We're just going to place that kind of under everywhere we put the navy. Alright, so I'm just going to take another natural hair brush and kind of buff that out so it is not as harsh. I'm just going to continue to blend that with the same brush. Make sure you get it in your eyebrows so it doesn't, like, your eyebrows don't just look like black right here, because they're still part of the piece. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade called Pool Party right here, and I'm going to start dusting that shadow right onto where the focal point of the look is. I managed to still find a way to highlight my nose, even with this on my face. Ready? Make sure the shimmer shades are blended out though, because you don't want them to look like you just popped them on. You want them to look seamless still. And I'm also going to take just any like teal liquid lipstick or lipstick you have. So now that this looks more like a focal point and not just like thrown shimmer shadow on there, I'm going to create the big planet right here. If you want a face paint to be more pigmented, I noticed that making sure it's a little bit drier with like less water is a lot more pigmented. Okay, so to really highlight the edge of the moon, I'm going to take Chrissy Cindy Cosmetics glitter and Blue Raspberry Fanta. This will take the moon to a whole nother level when putting that as a highlight. I feel like it'll just go bling, 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 bling. I'm gonna be using a flat definer brush and picking up some of the glitter and placing that right over. Yep, that is so pretty. Wow, wow. Oh goodness, I just got glitter all over my laptop. Ooh. Okay, we might use purple on the dark parts of the moon. They're again from Chrissy Cindy Cosmetics as usual. This is pretty. Okay, so my camera turned off. I didn't realize it. I just went ahead and put a bunch of different glitters on my face. It is not picking up on camera how it looks in real life. It has a bunch of different reflex to it. It's purple, it's teal, it's greenish. Okay, I like that better. I'm gonna put them in like little clusters. Alright guys, so I feel like that is how I want it to look. So now I'm gonna pop on the lashes, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied some lashes and I love how the lashes made this look. I feel like it made it pop even more. I don't know. But I used the Dipped in Diamondz Amelia lashes, and I have a code for this one too. It's just Chloeqmakeup, like always. This one I do make commission off of, so don't use my code if you don't want me to make money off of it. That is completely your choice. This is all done, right? All this. So I'm gonna do my face makeup now, and I'm gonna keep it pretty. Now we're going to bronze with like powder. Oh, I love bronzing. What is your favorite step in your makeup routine? I think mine is probably bronzing and lashes. Like I I love the way lashes change a look. It makes it so much more snatched and so much prettier. And bronzer just brings you back to life. Like, that's it. Now that everything is highlighted and all that, I'm gonna pop on a lipstick and then we will be done with the look. So I will show you everything completely done. Alright, so I went and put on my lip and now this look is complete. Ooh, you guys, I love how this look turned out. I hope it photographs the same as I'm seeing it and it's looking on the viewfinder. I love it so much. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, if you liked this video, and just anything you want. You can tell me what your favorite color is, what food you like to eat, anything. But yeah, so go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, and I hope to see you guys in the next one, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.